What makes you an undisputed leader? Is it the sheer amount of force you carry that lets you fly past others, while still being responsible enough to keep pockets happy? Or is it the combination of comfortable ergonomics that let you chew up miles endlessly and yet rugged underpinnings that allow you to carry on cocooned no matter what? Is it the endless feature list that comes handy every single day, or your persona that stops others in their paths? Is it the safety cage and aids that give you a sense of being taken care of? Or a pan-India network that takes care of your well-being like a family? It is these traits that fuse together to create a package that others can't match. A package that takes you above all. A package that's called the Hyundai Creta. And it's this very package that took us to Rajasthan for a perfect Unlock 2 road trip. The all-new Creta, the perfect SUV, is now the ultimate SUV.